Hey, beautiful soul. Welcome to the channel. I'm Diana, your yoga partner. You've got your mat, you're learning the moves, you're breathing deeper. And now you're wondering, what should I eat if I'm practicing yoga? Such a great question. And today, I've got you covered with a simple guide to a yoga-friendly diet that supports your energy, flexibility, and peace of mind. Number 1, why food matters in yoga. First, let's clear something up. Yoga isn't just movement, it's a lifestyle. And what we eat deeply affects how we feel, on the mat and in life. When I started yoga, I was eating whatever, whenever, and I felt heavy, distracted, and sometimes nauseous in the middle of class. Once I adjusted how and what I ate, everything shifted. I felt lighter, more focused, and more in tune with my body. Food is energy. In yoga, we want that energy to be clean, steady, and vibrant. Number 2, the yogic diet philosophy, ahimsa and sattva. Traditionally, yogic philosophy is based on ahimsa, non-harming, and sattva, purity and clarity of mind. That means plant-based or vegetarian diets are often recommended. Food should be fresh, light, and nourishing. Avoid foods that cause heaviness, restlessness, or agitation. Now, don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to give up all your favorite foods. Instead, I'll share what's helped me feel more aligned in body and mind. Number 3, what to eat before yoga. Before practice, you want something light, easy to digest, and energy boosting. Think a banana, a handful of soaked almonds, herbal tea or warm lemon water, a smoothie or light fruit bowl. Avoid heavy meals, fried foods, dairy, or anything that makes you feel sluggish or bloated. Try to eat at least 1 to 2 hours before practice. Trust me, nothing feels worse than trying to twist in triangle pose with a full stomach. Number 4, what to eat after yoga. After yoga, your body is in absorption mode. It's the perfect time to nourish yourself with something warm, grounding, and hydrating. I love a warm bowl of khichdi or soup, herbal teas like tulsi, ginger, or peppermint, steamed veggies with ghee or olive oil, simple grains like rice or quinoa, seasonal fruits, and of course, drink lots of water. Hydration helps flush out everything you just released during practice. Number 5, a few things to avoid. Yoga teaches us to listen, to slow down. And when it comes to food, that means avoiding eating too fast or while distracted, like in front of a screen. Highly processed or packaged foods, excess caffeine or sugar, overeating. Stop when you're 80% full. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present. When you eat with awareness, every meal becomes part of your yoga practice. Number 6, how to eat mindfully. Here's what I've learned through yoga. How you eat is just as important as what you eat. Try this. Sit down. Take a breath. Thank your food, yes, really. Chew slowly. Notice the flavors. Feel when your body says enough. This one simple practice changed my relationship with food, and it's one of the most powerful yoga tools you can take off the mat. So no, you don't need to follow a strict diet or give up everything you love. But by making a few mindful shifts, you'll support your body, deepen your practice, and feel more in sync, inside and out. If this helped you, hit subscribe and come along as we explore more than just poses. We'll talk yoga lifestyle, breathwork, mindset, and so much more. And let me know in the comments, what's one small change you can make in your meals starting today? Sending you warmth, strength, and good digestion. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.